6. Equivocal. Means ambiguous or unclear. For example, the politician gave an equivocal answer when asked about the new policy. 7. Prosaic. Means dull or unimaginative. For example, the novel was prosaic, lacking any real excitement or originality. 8. Esoteric. Means understood by only a small, specialized group. For example, the professor's lecture on quantum mechanics was too esoteric for most students. 9. Opaque. Means not transparent or difficult to understand. For example, the contract was opaque, with many terms that were hard to interpret. 10. Austere. Means strict, simple, or unadorned. For example, the monastery had an austere lifestyle, with no luxury items allowed.